Hi, welcome to the PCB tutorial of Team 12. My name is Nathanael Leung,
In this tutorial, we'll go over the steps to create a PCB. The production of the PCB consists of 6 crucial steps. Number 1, new project creation. Number 2, schematics. Number 3, adding components. Number 4, the PCB routing insertion. Number 5, the inspection of the PCB. And number 6, the Gerber files, or the drill files.
in order to create a PCB is Altium, and this is the welcome login screen for this program.
The first step to create the PCB is to create a new project file. So you click any document and you click the blank project PCB on the left side, and your project will now show up on the left sidebar. Your next step is to create the schematic for the project, a schematic. In this screen, you will now place each of the component onto here. You press part, which is P again, and now you will be given the window where you can choose the parts. You click the ... right here, and in this library section, it will allow you to either choose a device or connector. Now, the component we will use for this tutorial is the IR sensor, which contains 3 pins: the IR, the 5 volts, the ground, and the in. So therefore, we will scroll down on the connectors to 3 headers. Choose this, click OK, and now you will be given a choice to enter this component. Once you have the component placed onto the schematic, you will now connect components together. So you click this part, you press in to in, ground to ground, like that. Do not worry if the wire are placed like this. The schematic will be able to acknowledge that these are 2 different pins. Once you have the component placed onto the schematic, you have a choice of editing each of the component. So you click on this right over here, and the window will show up in terms of the properties. In the designator, we can component to an IR1, and also you have a choice of editing the pins over here, in which you can name this as 5 volts, ground, and in. Once you have all the components connected and placed, here is the overall schematic diagram of our project. Once you have completed your schematic, you're ready to create your PCB. Right-click on here, add new project, and you click to create a PCB, which will give you a black space right here. Next step, you will now click Design. You will click Import Changes from your schematic, and all will be added onto here. That being said, all the routing are not done. They are not organized, and everything will be overlapped. In order to make sure that all of these are routed correctly, you will click Auto Route, click All. In this screen, you will route all. After that, this will all route. After when you have completed creating PCB, your next step is to inspect the PCB that all speculations are correct. So you click on PCB at the bottom, click on PCB list, and this will show up. What you want is that you want to include components with major the vias, the pads, and the component fields. Next, you click on edit here so that you will be able to edit the components double checking. And afterwards, you will now scroll over to the right side, to the whole size. As you can see, the of the components, the whole sizes are located in the speculation document that was provided by the course website. On this Gerber setup page, you will now confirm with the company in which you will send your specifications of the Gerber file. NC drill files, and you check that all the specifications are correct, and you click OK. After when you clicked OK, you will now have your Gerber files and your drill files. Both the Gerber files and the drill files are at the project outputs.